arms up.
Alrighty, pilots, go ahead and arm those aircraft. Let's rock and roll on the tone in less than 5. This is going to be one to watch for sure. I'm seeing split screen vision. It's the same vision all across. Looks like the first one who's going to get up through there is going to be Fat Kid FPV, making his way to our TBS climb and rolling over. And it looks like a false start we heard on green. We're not going to worry about that right now. We're going to focus on the racing. It looks like Engineer up front, then K-Mead, then Fat Kid, then JTFPV making up some lost time. Running into some quad issues there. Looks like a little bit of a crash, but he's going to keep it in the air. Remember, sometimes it's about finishing. And it looks like the leader right now, Fat Kid FPV, he is running up ahead right now. We got one gate down on the audience's left section of the track, the gate before the finish. Right now, your leader, Fat Kid FPV, followed closely behind is K-Mead FPV. Engineer trying to make up some time, though. Engineer actually making up some time. He got in front of K-Mead, going through an inception dive, actually getting ahead of Fat Kid FPV. So looks like Engineer is going to take the win in this one. Who's going to take second? Those Vanover motors screaming. That was Fat Kid FPV coming around in second. Who's going to finish out third? Third and fourth, they are going to finish themselves out properly. That is K-Mead and JTFPV. Who got second? Engineer took first. Fat Kid took second. That was an